Hello my wonderful viewers. Do you think the weight loss is a huge and impossible task? I know it can feel tough, but it is 100% possible and I am here to show you how. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Tiash California. If you are new here, I'm Tiash, a certified health coach in California, and I share healthy and delicious recipes along with wellness tips in my channel. Today I'm going to share 3 incredible dinner recipes that are not only packed with delicious Indian flavors but are designed to help you on your weight loss journey. All the 3 recipes are completely gluten-free and vegetarian. Plus, I will break down the super simple formula for building a perfectly balanced plate. But before we jump down to the recipe, let's talk about what makes a dinner perfect for fat loss and muscle retention. 50% fibers and vegetables keep you full, help in digestion, and improve your gut health. 25% protein. It preserves muscles and speed up metabolism. Protein has high thermic effect. That means it burns more calories than fat and carbohydrate. 25% healthy carbs and fat for our energy and hormone balance. Another important tip, eating dinner early by 7 to 7:30 gives your body enough time to digest the food before bed, helping you burning the calories overnight. Now let's make these delicious dinners. Cook smart. Make in large quantity and use it for meal preparation. I know it can be super tricky to remember all the ingredients, so in this video I have made it super easy for you. You will find a printable grocery list in the description box below, so please download it and take it with you when you go for shopping.
Let's make our yummy beetroot tikki. This is a very simple recipe. We have to add all the ingredients in the bowl first. I'm starting with the beetroot. I steamed it and then grated it. Next, adding our first plant-based protein source, 1.5 cup of crumbled paneer. Here goes finely chopped onion. Next, I am going to show you one interesting thing that I will be using as a binding agent. It is Bengal gram or chana dal. This is also a great source of plant-based protein. So we replaced the potato that is used in traditional tikki with Bengal gram or chana dal here. So it is more protein rich. Here goes the flavoring agent, Indian spice powder. They all have their own benefits for our health. And then I am going to add 1 tablespoon of grated ginger and garlic. Then 2 teaspoons of dry fenugreek or kasuri methi. Here goes the most important thing, salt to taste. Mix everything very well. After mixing everything very well, I am adding 1 handful of roasted peanuts here. This gives a nice crunch and also a good protein source. Grease your palm with little bit of oil. And then shape this wonderful mixture into a tikki. Fun part here, you can involve your family in this step. Especially kids will love this because of its color. Now it's time to shallow fry these tikkis. Generally I make them in air fryer and every time they comes out very crispy. Coating them in sesame seeds gives an unique flavor and crunch to these tikkis, and they are highly nutrient rich. This is the last one. I can't wait to taste it. It takes 2 to 3 minutes each side. And here you go, my beautiful tikkis are ready to enjoy. Serve it with salad and homemade green chutney. How does it taste? This time I am not going to tell you guys. You need to make it and let me know in the comment section how you like it. Alright, let's move to second recipe now. For this recipe we need boiled chickpeas as a great plant-based protein source. I am using 2 kinds of chickpeas, black and white. Next protein source is paneer. I shallow fried it, but you can use the raw one also. Now I am going to add all the raw vegetables including the greens. Here I am using lettuce, arugula, baby spinach, baby kale, but you use what is locally available. Then goes chopped cucumbers, chopped tomatoes, grated carrots. Here I am using 3 colored carrots, chopped onions, salt to taste, avocado, lime juice, and olive oil. Very simple dressing. Freshly grounded black pepper enhances the flavor. Our chatpata healthy chaat is ready. Now we have to mix it very well. Now this chaat needs little bit sweetness, so I am adding pomegranates. And finally, this green chutney will give you the authentic chaat flavor. And it's ready. Now tell me, who doesn't want to lose weight by eating chaat?
Our second recipe is ready within 5 minutes. Do you like to eat noodles? Okay, I hear you. Our next recipe is weight loss noodles. But here we are not going to use any refined flour noodles. We are going to use vegetable noodles. This is spiralized zucchini. You can make it in a very easy way. I'm gonna show you. But let's start making a sauce first.
To To make this sauce, first heat 2 teaspoons of oil in a large pan and then add half cup of chopped onions. After caramelizing the onion, add 1 tablespoon of grated ginger and garlic. Cook them for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 4 large chopped tomatoes. I already showed you how to make pizza sauce in my healthy pizza videos. Today I am going to share how you can make a healthy spaghetti sauce and keep it in your refrigerator. At this stage, add salt to taste. This is going to fasten the cooking process. After 6 to 7 minutes, when the tomatoes are properly cooked, add half of a steamed and chopped beetroot. This is going to give the sauce a very bright red color and also will add its health benefit. Adding all the common Indian spices. Now cover and cook it for 5 minutes and let all the flavors locked inside. Our sauce is almost ready. Now we have to blend it into a smooth puree. I am using my hand blender, but you can blend it in mixer grinder too. It's time to add water because it looks so thick. Look at that beautiful red color. At this point you can cool it down and store it in your refrigerator. Today, for the spaghetti noodles, I am adding soya granules into the sauce. This is not only going to bring that meaty texture, but will also add the plant-based protein power. Next, adding high protein-rich green peas. Once you make it at home, you will never buy any spaghetti noodles from restaurant. Try this. Our sauce is ready. Now it's time to cook the noodles. First I am greasing my cast iron pan with little bit of oil. Then adding the sliced mushrooms. I am going to saute it until it turns little bit red. Look, our mushrooms are cooked completely now. It's time to add the zucchini noodles. We don't need any extra oil. Shallow fry it. Adding thinly sliced bell peppers or capsicum. Salt to taste. Our healthy and flavorful zucchini noodles are completely ready now. Let's assemble the plate. First, add the gorgeous and flavorful sauce. Then add the spaghetti noodles in the middle. Add some grated paneer, replacing the store-bought cheese. Arrange your table with a beautiful candle because you are going to have a fine dining experience with this beautiful dish today. What do you think about it? Isn't it innovative? Low-calorie noodles.
Now I know you are ready for that transformation. So here is the challenge. Do this for 30 days and come back here to share the positive transformation in the comment section. This works, I promise. But don't forget that eating healthy during the daytime is as important. Please check my video on how to lose weight for a clear breakdown of do's and don'ts. I know you have got this, and I am here to cheer you on every step of the way. If you are ready to join a healthy community to transform your health, body, and mind, please hit that like and subscribe button and also comment to let me know which recipe you are most excited to try first. Let's do it together. I can't wait to hear about your journey. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Till then, stay healthy, happy, and positive.